Hi guys, today we're having Korean food and just look at the spread, we are about to feast. So first up is the rosé tteokbokki. The rosé sauce is made of cream, milk, tomato paste, and gochujang. It is super creamy, subtly sweet, and mildly spicy. And I love that the rice cakes are so soft and chewy. There's also fish cakes and pasta inside. Then it is the deep dish cheese pasta. It is a fusion dish with the Chicago deep dish. I love the crust that is so deep. It holds a lot of mozzarella cheese. It's super stretchy. Just look at this cheese pool. And lastly, we obviously had to order the Korean fried chicken. So we ordered two flavors. There's the garlic soy, super strong garlic punch flavor. It's like mix of like soy sauce and garlic and honey and syrup. And also we got the sweet and spicy sauce, which is a very thick and sticky vibrant red sauce made from gochujang. I love this meal a lot. Everything is a 10 out of 10 for me, and I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!